Today is the day. We're going to fit these window covers. Yeah, it comes with two options, pop rivets or riv nuts. I'm going to hopefully put riv nuts on it so that we can take them off. That's the plan anyway. I've polished up the paint, I've cleaned the glass, put some masking tape up. I'm just going to hold the thing up now and mark where the holes are, and then I'll take it from there. So watch this space. I've got the holes drilled. I'm going to put these riv nuts in now. What I'm going to do is put some silicone around the riv nut so that it sort of seals in the holes. They don't look level, but I did sort of measure the holes and so it looks right on the car. We shall see. It's not we're not going to keep these on the car, so the plan is I can get these sealed, and then when we're not using it, we'll just put the bolts back in to stop any water getting in the car. So my first go at riv nutting, I'm just going to put some silicone on it, and we'll see about getting them in here. These two done. Get up there now, do those top two, and then see if we can't bolt it on. I won't bring you along for that because it's bloody awkward. I've got to get up on the chair and everything, so I shall be back with you shortly. Because I'm going to have this rotor packs thing on here, I want it like that. So that bracket's got to poke through there like that. Comes with these, so what I'm going to do is I'll take it there 13mm, close enough, is put some thread lock on these, bolts here. I'll get some thread lock, like so. Same for this one. Get them nice and tight. Now that is going to bolt on there like that. For that we've got some so if you can see that, they've got like a little square on the back of them. So we just if I can hold them. Now, with that on the car, you should be able to put your toolbox on, like so, like that, unlock it. I've got the locked version, take that out. Lock in. There you go. So now we'll see if all the holes line up on the car. Bolted on. Well, this side is anyway. Pretty strong. It's 2 thumbs up from me. So that's going to wrap this video up. I'm not doing the other side today. Thought I'll get this side done. See what it looks like, how easy it is. I don't think I caught any wires up the top there. I'll check the lights before the Hobbit drives it out. And I will be taking it back off shortly, so I'm just going to run it outside to get some drone footage and then bring it back in. We'll take all this lot off. Yeah, so thanks again to MP Off-Road Service. I did buy these before, they didn't send them to me. But it's fantastic bit of kit, like the roof rack, well made. I'll get the other side on. I'm not sure what I'll be putting on. So this one here is just like a tool kit, so I can have like my tyre puncher kit and all bits and pieces like that in there. That's normally you'd have tucked away in the boot somewhere, but if once you've got all your boot kitted out with like the fridge and all your bits and pieces, obviously the wheelchair is going to be in there. You don't want to be pulling the whole lot out just to fix a puncture or just to do this or do that. So there'll be a few tools in there, bits and pieces, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So thanks again, MP 4x4 MP Off-Road Service. 2 thumbs up from me. I'll put links in the description to all their products for L322. They do a shit ton of stuff for all other off-road vehicles as well. So go and check them out, and who knows, perhaps you'll buy something like this. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.